So let's analyze what the price did today and look out for what all possibilities the price can have for tomorrow, which is Wednesday 18th of February. So डेली पे दिख रहा है कि प्राइस हैज क्लोज्ड अ बुलिश कैंडल, क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्राइस ओपन राइट हियर, then the sellers pushed the price down, aggressive buyers moved in and pushed the price up, closing at a higher level. So right now the buyers are in control, so daily tells us that tomorrow bullishness might continue. और यहाँ पे 15 मिनट्स पे देखेंगे तो प्राइस इज ऑल्सो शोइंग बुलिशनेस एज प्राइस मूव्ड हायर, tried to move lower but took support along this level and again pushed higher. And if we look at the volume profile, we can see that the major money was being traded right here, and then yesterday aggressive buyers pushed the price up for price discovery, और ये प्राइस डिस्कवरी एक्सेप्ट करते करते प्राइस हैज मूव्ड अप, क्रिएटिंग अ वैल्यू एरिया ओवर हियर. So the market participants are accepting these prices and most likely यहाँ पे value creation के बाद higher probability for it to move higher. So tomorrow we will have a bullish bias looking to go for buy side opportunities. So this is the 5-minute chart जिस पे मैंने थोड़े levels mark किए हैं, which is the previous day low, previous day high. This is the point of control. This is a level of target 83,786, 83,861. So tomorrow what can be our plan? Let's draw the volume profile. As per the volume profile, we can see that the overall money was transacted right here and the prices were accepted in here. So अगर price यही कहीं पे open होती है and it moves down, we could look for a support of this value area low for an upside momentum. Or else let's say ये low break भी होता है, then we will look for a failed auction, और प्राइस जब फिर से ऊपर मूव होती है we could aim for the value area high or even the breakout of this level. Let's say प्राइस यही कहीं पे ओपन होके in the start itself it moves up, तो फिर ये point of control है जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा volumes transact हुए. We'll look for some buying side price action over here. If aggressive buyers come in here, we could buy here itself going for the day's high break, और यहाँ पे price acceptance मिलते मिलते these two targets can be aimed. Let's say अगर प्राइस गैप अप ओपन होता है, then the scenario changes a little bit, क्योंकि price needs to form some value right here and then move out for the price discovery. और अगर price gap up में ही price open होता है तो फिर I will look for one trade where price, if it moves up and sees some resistance and selling coming on this level, I will look for a sell side trade for the first candle's low break and price moving into the value area low and previous day high. This can be a sell trade that I will take, but I will take it with low quantity because it is against the overall flow of money. Another thing is, if price moves down for selling, there I will wait for price to form some value area, और वो value area creation के बाद I will decide to either go for a failed auction onto the buying side, or else I will just wait for Thursday.